Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Faith Talks and Inspires. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make air fried chicken in the air fryer. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video so you know how to make air fried chicken the best way. These are the ingredients you're going to need. 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 crushed garlics, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, grated lemon peel, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of ginger powder, 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1/4 cup of soy sauce. You're also going to need chicken drumsticks, your bowl, and gloves. Now we're going to put our spices in the bowl and make sure you wear gloves for this process. So we're going to take our spices and just pour them in. Okay. We're going to take our soy sauce and pour it in. Our vinegar. And lemon juice. And now we are going to mix it. Mix it till it looks like this. And now we're going to place our chickens in the seasoning. Make sure the seasoning gets all over the chicken. And now it looks like this. And now we're going to let it sit in the fridge for 2 hours to marinate, and then we'll put it in the air fryer.
2 hours later.
Okay, so now these are out of the fridge, and now we're going to put them in the air fryer. We're going to put our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Okay, the first one is done, and now we're gonna put in the second fryer. Okay, now all the chickens are in the air fryer, and we're gonna let it cook, and then I'll come back to you guys when it's done.
A few minutes later.
So now the chickens are out of the air fryer and we're going to taste test them. Okay, this is all of them and this is how they look. Really, really yummy. And now we're going to try it. This is what it looks on the inside. Very well done. So now we're going to taste it. Cheers. That's really good. And that's how you make air fried chicken. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video.